So regarding with the smart meter, now it has become a little bit panic, shaky, and misunderstanding in the mind of the consumer of the state as a whole. Not only talking about the consumer, even the staff of the MECL, Nuclear Energy Corporation Limited, Nuclear Power Distribution Corporation Limited, you also have a doubt how this smart meter will be installed in the state. So regarding with this issue, so I understand that this is the issue that we need. I've already said, we need the government, the power minister, to take this smart meter into a consideration, so that again will not be a blame game, like we have already been experienced regarding NTPC, which have already been mentioned by the Honorable Chief Minister, that in 2007 we have agreement in that way. So because this is the smart meter, it is a big project, and the cost of this project not less than 232 crore, 66 lakh 39,343. So this is a huge project, and this money have been MECL with the support of the government. They have taken a loan from the Asian Development Bank, ADB. But we understand that this amount, that the time will come at the appropriate time, and also it may be our department knew better that it may take 10 to 15 years. We have to pay back of this loan of 232 crore, 96 lakh and 39,000 and 343 have to pay back to Asian Development Bank. So this is a very serious matter, because installation of the meter, now the clarity need to be clarified by the Honorable Power Minister, and people should understand what is meant by this smart meter. So according to understanding, that at present around 2 lakh, more than 2 lakh smart meter will be installed in the city of Shillong, in the East Castles, in the West Castles and nearby. So the point is here. So we have 11 districts in the state. Why not we make it in such a way? Installation of the meter, it should not be in the Shillong, it should not be on the East Castle or West Castle. Jawai should be a part, Ribhoi should be a part, and the whole of Garrels should be a part. Intention of installation of this meter reader is to reduce the aggregate technical and commercial loss. So this is very important. This is installation of the smart meter. Intention is to reduce aggregate technical and commercial loss. So as of today, according to understanding, installation of meter will be free. So we knew that meter is a human made. It will take a matter of 1-2 years. Again, it will become defective. After it will become defective, we know for sure that company will not supply free. Installation of meter as of today is free installation of meter. After it was defective, it got defective. By the time the consumer have to pay. When the time comes, who will bear of defective of smart meter? So why I'm saying that this is a very serious matter. According to understanding that we knew, the cost of the meter is as of today's supply to Nuclear Energy Corporation Limited is not less than 9,444.44 per unit. While, Sir Minister will correct if there is something wrong regarding the price. So in other part of the country, the cost of meter is 3,000. See the difference here, that 9,000 companies supply here. While in other part of the country, that the cost of meter is 3,000. This is a very serious matter. So because of this issue that have already been raised, I need the government the Mekhlia Energy Corporation Limited, even the minister concerned, you have to make a clarity to the people in the state regarding with this smart meter.
Honorable member from Maulai had said, please put the implementation of smart meters on hold. So that is, I think, will not be a prudent step on our part, because here we want to bring in technological interventions precisely for that reason, that we can bring down our losses. Every day that we delay such things, our losses are accumulating. Therefore, sir, for us as a government, sir, we want to bring in interventions which will reduce these kind of aggregate technical and commercial losses, sir. Sir, the narratives, again, about the high cost of these meters is, again, I want to clarify this, sir. Honorable member from Maulai had said that the cost of these meters is about 3,000 in other states of Northeast, sir. And, sir, these smart meters, let me assure him, sir, I don't know the exact price of these meters, but these meters are in the tune or in the range, I'm not very sure, but 3,400, which is, if you look at it, sir, very justified. So if he says that it is around 3,000 is also an average that he's taking, but in many states it could be more than 3,500 also. But here in our state, sir, as per this, today the rate of these smart meters is around 3,400. So it is not as what is being made out to be, sir. Sir, then Honorable member from Maulai had also mentioned about the fact that the installation should be in other parts, not in Shillong. So let me assure him, sir, that the installation of the smart meters has been, the selection of the feeders and the selection of the zones has been on the basis of the losses being incurred in the AT&C, sir. So the aggregate technical and commercial losses, wherever it is found to be high, and if you look at the figures, sir, these are mostly in the rural areas. This is where the focus and the thrust of the implementation of the smart meters is happening, sir. That is where it will take place, sir. And the suggestion is something that we are totally in agreement with him, and we are doing that in that manner only, sir.